Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of 7 incredible AI bots that could reshape the way we create content. From realistic voiceovers and undetectable text generation, to deepfake wonders and effortless video editing. Ever wondered if you could monetize these futuristic tools and unlock new possibilities for your online ventures? Stay with us as we unravel the potential and possibilities of these 7 AI marvels that might just redefine the landscape of online creativity and entrepreneurship. Robot 1. Play HT. Let's delve into our first robot, Play HT. This AI bot is a game changer, producing audio files so lifelike they're nearly indistinguishable from a real person. Once you sign up, you'll be greeted by an interface where you can choose from various pre-made voices. And what sets Play HT apart is that these aren't your typical robotic voices. They're clones of real people. Take Sarah, for instance. By selecting her voice, you can test out a sample script, like a daily meditation. Let's have a listen.
Take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill completely.
Impressive, right? But what's truly mind-blowing is the ability to clone your own voice. Navigate to voice cloning, create a new clone, choose instant, give it a name, let's say Matt. Pick the gender and upload an audio file. I compiled snippets of my talking from various YouTube videos into a single file, and voila, I've cloned my voice. Now we can generate speech, and there you have it. Hey, my name is Matt, and here's an example of me talking with this epic tool. Imagine the possibilities, especially with the high-fidelity clone. It's incredibly realistic. Now, how can you turn this into an income stream? Picture this. Start a YouTube channel, similar to Brainy Dose, where the voice plays a crucial role. Use pre-made voices or create a clone of yourself. You can even sell your cloned voice on platforms like Fiverr, offering a unique service without the need to record a new voiceover for every gig. If you decide to venture into creating a YouTube channel, a path I personally took, you'll need content for this AI voice to bring to life. Robot 2. Stealth GPT. Now onto our second AI gem, Stealth GPT. It elevates content generation by crafting high-quality, undetectable AI text, akin to ChatGPT but with a stealthy touch. If you've used ChatGPT for a 2,000-word YouTube script, imagine Stealth GPT doing the same, leaving viewers guessing whether it's human or AI made. To transform this into a daily $100 income, picture a blog where AI handles article writing, earning you revenue or freelance fees. Charging $50 for 2 article scripts a day can achieve your goal. While transparency about AI use is advised, let the content quality speak for itself. Stealth GPT outshines traditional tools. Consider running a YouTube channel as an AI Tool 1 with Stealth GPT crafting scripts. With 100 videos a year and $1 per day in ad revenue per video, you're looking at over $100 per day in semi-passive income. Robot 3. Flicky. Now, let's explore our third AI tool, Flicky. Imagine maintaining a faceless YouTube channel without the hassle of editing programs or expensive editors. It's possible with Flicky. After signing up, the user-friendly interface awaits. Click Create a new file. Envision a video topic, like the top 10 places to visit in Asia. Select language and dialect and choose a 16:9 aspect ratio ideal for YouTube. Starting with just an idea, click Submit and let Flicky process the request. Give it a prompt. Set the video duration. Let's go with 1 minute for this example. And for simplicity, use stock media by clicking Submit. Now sit back and relax as Flicky creates your video effortlessly. Voila! Your video is ready.
Welcome to an exciting journey across Asia, bursting with life, culture, and breathtaking beauty. Our first stop is Tokyo, Japan.
Flicky not only found relevant pictures, but also crafted a script and did the voiceover. For a personal touch, use your own voiceover and script, leveraging tools like Stealth GPT for script generation. Flicky allows easy text editing, clip swapping, template selection, making it a game changer for creating engaging, faceless content without the headache of extensive editing. Robot 4. HeyJen. Now picture a tool that lets you create content without showing your face or stepping in front of a camera. HeyJen. It delves into deep faking, crafting video clones of individuals you've heard about in the news. While ethical concerns surround deep faking, it presents a potential game changer for your business. Here's how to monetize HeyJen. First, secure permission from the person you're cloning or create one for yourself. Upload a video, and HeyJen generates a video clone. I want to take a moment and invite you to be a part of the Pivot Online community. If you're finding this exploration as thrilling as we do, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more captivating content. And guess what? Our channel is a treasure trove of insights and tech wonders waiting for you. So, after you've enjoyed this video, dive into the fascinating world of Pivot Online by checking out our other thought-provoking content. And now let's get back to the video. Robot 5, Descript. Now let's dive into AI robot number 5, Descript. Descript revolutionizes the editing of both videos and audio files, making it as simple as editing a text document. When you create an account and start a new project, you can upload any video or audio file. For instance, I uploaded a video intended for my Instagram account. Descript then transcribes the entire content, allowing you to edit the video by simply editing the transcription text. For example, if I notice a mistake marked by little dots, I can delete that part of the text and it seamlessly trims the corresponding part of the video. I can go through the entire transcription, identifying and correcting errors effortlessly. Descript also allows you to add captions easily. By selecting a template, you can apply captions to your video. This tool empowers you to edit your videos as if you were editing a text file. One remarkable feature is the ability to customize captions. You can go to Choose Template, select Captions, and apply your preferred style and font. Descript offers a user-friendly and efficient way to edit videos and audio files without the need for advanced audio knowledge. It's a game changer for content creators seeking a simplified editing process. The inside scoop on two magical websites. Robot 6, rightsonic. AI tool number 6 is rightsonic. If you sign up for an account at rightsonic, it'll look something like this, offering various AI tools including the creation of audio files, a built-in AI writer, and chatbots. The specific tool we'll be exploring within rightsonic is called Photosonic. This feature enables you to generate AI photos of virtually anything. Channels like TheYTube might be using AI-generated images within their thumbnails, and we suspect this because of the consistent style. For instance, TheYTube pulls in 9 million views per month with their thumbnail style. To illustrate, we can input a text prompt like, "An alien planet in another galaxy." Click Generate, and boom! We get high-quality images generated from a simple text prompt. The possibilities are vast as long as it abides by the tool's rules. Keep in mind that there's a limit to the free words you get with this tool, 10,000 premium words for free, and each generation consumes 200 words, providing 2 images. If you find this tool valuable, you can consider upgrading to a paid plan. You can use rightsonic to create thumbnails like TheYTube's and sell them to other channels, or use them for your own YouTube channel. Additionally, you can create AI logos to sell on platforms like Fiverr. Robot 7, OpusClip. You've likely noticed the surge in popularity of short-form content on platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts in recent years. Now, there's an AI robot that streamlines the creation of YouTube Shorts from long-form videos, requiring almost no effort on your part. This remarkable tool is called OpusClip. Once you sign up for OpusClip, the interface is user-friendly. Simply drop a YouTube link for any video you have. Click Get Clips, and voila! For instance, it not only cropped the video down to 60 seconds or less, but also added subtitles and suggested a potential title. OpusClip goes beyond other tools by offering in-depth editing options. You can change subtitles, adjust the zoom level for optimal phone consumption, and choose from various templates to customize the look. It's an exceptionally powerful tool. To monetize this, consider promoting a high-paying digital product as an affiliate. Visit a site like digistore24.com, explore their affiliate marketplace, and find a product paying at least $200 to $500 per sale. Add the affiliate link to your channel page, providing an opportunity to earn commissions with each sale. OpusClip opens up exciting possibilities for effortlessly creating engaging content and leveraging it for financial gain. And as we pivot towards the end of our AI odyssey, I want to express my sincere gratitude for joining us on this exploration. If these AI wonders have sparked your curiosity, don't forget to pivot your mouse over to that like button and hit subscribe to become a valued member of the Pivot Online community. Your support propels us forward, and we're thrilled to have you on this journey. Until next time, this is Pivot Online signing off.